Step 1. Disconnect the video cable from the screen. Step 2. Remove to screen, retaining screws using the included screwdriver. Retain screws and metal washers for reinstallation. Step 3. Install metal washers onto both screws. Insert screws through the metal bracket holes and hold in position. Step 4. Position the new screen with the perforated side facing the metal bracket. Align screen holes with the screws passing through the washers. Step 5. Keep both sides level. Partially tighten this screw to position it. Rotate the other screw. Fully tighten both screws.